So Christmas can be a really joyful time, but it can also be quite stressful, and we can put a lot of pressure on ourselves, running about, doing things for other people. And it can be really helpful to just take a step back and think about how we can nourish ourselves at this time of year. Maybe it's just doing a little bit of conscious breathing. Maybe it's eating some healthy food that you enjoy, maybe offsetting some of the rich foods that you're eating, and hydrating ourselves, drinking lots of nice pure water, particularly if there's lots of Christmas nights out. And also just resting, just when you can and when it's practical, just finding little bits of time for you. Maybe book yourself in for a massage and do something that really is going to relax these muscles. And think about how you can find, even if it's a minute tomorrow and then 2 minutes the day after, that you can really fill that self-care cup back up. Because it is a fun time, but it can be also quite a stressful